Hello guys, AlexTheGrumpyOne here today with a quick video that's been requested on the fog light bulb and unit replacement. So I'm going to show you how to do it quick. There's 3 different ways to replace the bulb that you can get to it, and I'm going to show you the easiest one and explain you obviously all the other ways that you can do it. Right guys, so the first way is by removing the headlight unit. So to do that, it's nice and easy, only takes about 2 to 3 minutes. You need to remove 7 torx, 30 screws. So first you remove this metal cover. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then you got 1 for the headlight unit, which is there. And the other one there. Like I said, 7 of them, and the headlight will come out. All you have to do is just unplug it. And then you're going to have plenty of space to get your hand in there. And that's the same for this side as well. Apart from here, you're going to have a cable that runs for your bonnet catch. So that it just pops off as a little screwdriver. So it's nice and easy. Then the other way you can do it is by, this is a bit more complicated way, is by removing screws that hold this inner cover. So there's 3 screws holding it here, and there's a couple under there. So you'll be able to pull it back and get your hand in there, but you need to have this sitting on the full log. So this is, I would say, the kind of most complicated one. The easiest one, and the one I'm going to be doing today, is just by removing this little cover. And this is also the only way you can get the actual fog light unit out, because all the other ways you'll be able just to replace the bulb. So this is the way you have to do it to replace your fog light unit or the bulb, and I would use this method for both of them, to be honest. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do it. Right guys, so this is the easiest way, and this is the only way you're going to do to get the unit out as well. So the other 2 ways, you obviously only replace the bulb, but this is the way you have to do to get the fog light unit replaced as well. And like I said, this is the easiest way to replace the bulb as well, in my opinion. So all you do is just get a hold of the plastic cover, and that will just pop off. As you can see, there's just little clips that hold it in. You can replace these parts as well. So obviously, there you go, that's the fog light. So all you have to do is, you need a Phillips screwdriver. There's 3 Phillips screws holding it in. So once you've done them, the unit comes out. That's in case you're replacing the unit. But for me today, to show you how to replace the bulb, all you do is get your hand in there, get a hold of the bulb, obviously unplug it, I'll show you how to do it, and turn the bulb anti-clockwise, and that will come out, as you can see, nice and easy. So this is a H11 bulb. I'm going to put all the spec in description below anyway, and the link to get the bulbs. So this is the bulb, and like I said, it's easy to replace it. To get the plug off, there's a plastic plug, you squeeze it and just pull it off. So it's nice and easy. And obviously once you put the new one in, there's only one way it can go in. There's the locators there. So if you push it back in there, locate it in, you can see it at the front. Once it's located, you'll feel it going in, and then just turn it clockwise and it locks. And that's job done. So after that, all you have to do is just put this back on. So it slides in there first. There you go, that's locked in. Make sure all the plastic locators are located correctly, and just push it in. Just double check it, pull it back, see if they're all locked. But yeah, that's all good. That's all in place. And that's job done on the fog light. Right guys, so as you can see, it's nice and easy. All you do is just pop the cover off, replace the bulb, or remove the unit, fit the new one in, and that is the job done. And in my opinion, obviously like I said, this is the only way that you would do to replace the unit itself, but you've got 3 different ways to do the bulb. And in my opinion, this is the easiest one, if this is the type of your bumper. So like I say, it's nice and quick guys. You might have seen it in my previous videos. I've shown you the way of removing the headlight, and obviously when I've done the video of upgrade of the LED units as well. And I'm going to be doing a video today as well on my upgrade of my side light bulb for the LED unit, so stay tuned for that as well. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. If you got any more questions, please let me know, and like my video and subscribe for more. Bye!